Let me guess, you got marketing ideas, maybe even a list of things that you should be doing. But when it comes to making real progress with your marketing, you're stuck. You don't know exactly what to do, and you need clarity. You need someone who knows what questions to ask and how to help coach you in moving forward. That's what these coaching calls are for. Sometimes you just need to talk it out. Maybe it's hiring. Maybe it's your messaging. Maybe you're just tired of guessing what to focus on next. Whatever it is, you don't have to figure it out alone. This is a one-on-one coaching session where we dig into your business. What's working, what's not. What to do next, what you can skip. How to make real progress with the time and team you already have. No high-level theory, just real, direct advice tailored to your situation. One of our clients turned around a 2-year sales decline in just 6 weeks and grew customers 11% and revenue 7% in just that time period. Why? Because we finally got clear on what to do next. So if you're circling the same marketing questions and not getting traction, let's talk. You bring the challenge and I'll help you sort it out and move forward with confidence. I hope you reach out.